sangka. Gigi dia tajam. Kalau dia tangkap kau,
bukan apa ni? Tak, cuba kawan-kawan tekan.
I'm feeling like we could go on with this all day. All this winning is making me thirsty. He's a little slow, but he's learning. Now, you didn't do that on purpose, did you? Well then, I guess we'll let you off with a warning. He ain't gonna spill no more drinks. What do we rats? Just like home. Let me show you a little game me and the rats play downtown. We call it making headlines. Here, take one. Ha-ha! You're up, Spiky. Show 'em who's boss. Oh, these guys is all right. They don't cause me no trouble. Yeah? Let's them to keep it that way.
I don't know who that dog is, but he's gotta go. Are you with us?
Listen, Captain, I don't know what's gotten into you, but... What the? Hey, you tell him to get off me right now, Cap!
Assalamualaikum teman-teman. Jangan lupa subscribe ya. Terima kasih.